Good morning, children. I am Risara sir, working as a mathematics teacher in the Dr. Besant English Medium School. So, children, in my previous class from mathematics 9th class state polynomials chapter up to 4th Roman I explained you. So, let me continue. Exercise 2.5, 5th Roman. So, children, I am requesting you please open your mathematics textbook. That is 9th class state mathematics textbook, page number 56. Exercise 2.5. This is exercise 2.5, children. This is Roman number 5. Roman number 5. Factorize the following expressions. Two sums are there. From this Roman I will explain you both two sums from this Roman. Factorize. First one, this is 25x square plus 16y square plus this is 4z square and minus 40xy minus 40xy and plus 16yz and minus 20xz minus 20xz. Okay, children, we need to factorize this expression. So let us observe. See, children, given expression is this is 25x square plus 16y square and plus 4z square and minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Okay, children. So we have to factorize this one. What are the factors for this expression? So first we write, it can be written as 5x whole square. 5x whole square is 5 square is 25x square plus this is 4y whole square. Why? Because 4 square is 16y square plus this is 2z whole square. 2 square is 4z square. Now what we have written? We have written a square plus b square plus c square. Still we need to write 2ab term plus 2bc term plus 2ca term. Okay, children. We have written a square where a is equal to 5x plus b square where b equal to 4y, c square, c equal to z. Already we have existed a square plus b square plus c square. Still we need to write these two terms, these three terms. Plus 2 into a means 5x into b means 4y plus 2 into bc, b means 4y, c means 2z plus 2 into ca, c means 2z and a means 5x. Okay, children. If you observe that one, 5x whole square is 20x square, it is balanced. 4y whole square is 16y square, it is also balanced. 2z whole square is 4z square, it is also balanced. 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 40xy plus 40xy, but it is minus 40xy. There is a difference minus, later we adjust. And this is 2 4s 8, 8 2 16 plus 16yz. This is plus 16yz is already balanced. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 plus 20zx, it is minus 20zx. That is also we need to balance, minus symbol variation. So how to balance the symbols? If you observe that one, this is 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40x plus 16yz minus 20xz. Identify the negative terms. This is a negative term, minus 40xy. This is negative term, minus 20xz. After identifying the negative terms, identify the common variable in the negative terms. So x is the common variable in the negative terms. Negative minus 40xy, negative minus 20xz. These are the two negative terms. In those negative terms, identify the common variable. X is a common variable. For that x we keep minus. Yes, minus. For that x we keep minus. So it is minus 5x. So it is minus 5x. Now it is balanced, even include the symbols also. Once observe, minus 5x whole square, 25x square only, plus 4y whole square, plus 16y square only, plus 2z whole square, 4z square only, plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, minus 40xy, minus 40xy, it is balanced. And also 2 4s 8, 8 5, 2s are 16, plus 16yz, plus 16yz, it is balanced. Now it is plus into minus, minus. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, minus 20yz, minus 20zx, minus 20zx. If you observe that one, see, I will write here, minus 5x, minus 5x. Observe, plus into minus, minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, minus 20zx, minus 20zx. Okay, children? Now observe, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where a is equals to minus 5x and B is equals to 4y and C is equals to 2z. Now this completely can be written in the form of A plus B plus C whole square, where A means minus 5x plus B means 4y plus C means 2z whole square. So minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z whole square means 2 times. One is minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z into other is also minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z. These are the two factors for this given polynomial, the given expression. Okay children, once you see. Yes children, I hope that you have understood very well. Okay children, yes. See, one more problem is there children. I will explain you that problem also from this Roman. Verify the textbook. Children, verify the textbook. I will explain you one more problem also. See children, second problem from this fifth Roman. 9a square plus 4b square, 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square, 16c square plus 12ab plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 16bc minus 24ca minus 24ca. Okay children, once verified. Given expression is, this is 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Children, we need to factorize this. So concentrately verify. This is 3a whole square, 9a square, plus this is 2b whole square, 4b square. This is 4c whole square, that is 16c square. It is capital A, where capital A equal 3a, plus this is capital B square, where capital B equal 2b. This is capital C square, where capital C is equal to 4c. So we have adjusted a square plus b square plus c square. Still we need to adjust plus 2ab term and plus 2bc term and plus 2ca term. Now identify. Plus 2 into a means 3a, into b means, that is into b means 2b plus 2bc. 2 into b means 2b, C means 4c plus 2ca. 2 into c means 4c, a means 3a, a means 3a. Okay children, once verify. 3a whole square, 9a square plus 2b whole square, 4b square plus 4c whole square, 16c square. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12ab plus 12ab. 2 2 is 4, 4 4 is 16bc plus 16bc. Of course it is minus 16bc, we got plus 16bc. Next we have to adjust minus symbol. And 2 4 is 8, 8 3 is 24 plus 24ca. It is minus 24ca. Later we can adjust minus symbol. Come to the symbols. Identify the negative terms in the given expression. This is a negative term. Why? Because it is minus. It is minus. This is the negative term. So there are the two negative terms. In those two negative terms, identify common variable. C is the common variable. So keep minus wherever you have C. Keep minus wherever you have C. Yes, here minus. Yes, next, here minus. And next, here minus. Observe children, here minus. Okay children, now verify. 3a whole square, 9a square, plus 2b whole square, 4b square, minus 4c whole square is plus 16c square only. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12ab plus 12ab, plus into minus is minus. 2 2 is 4, 4 4 is 16, minus 16bc, minus 16bc, plus into minus minus. 2 4 is 8, 8 3 is 24, minus 24ac, minus 24ac. Now observe where we need to write what is A, 3a, what is B, 2b, what is C, minus 4c. Now a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca can also be written as a plus b plus c whole square, where a means 3a plus b means 2b, c means minus 4c whole square. These are the factors for the given expression, which are, one is 3a plus 2b minus c 4c, into other is also 3a plus 2b minus 4c. I hope that you have understood these two problems from this fifth Roman. Okay children. Yes, children. So these are the two sums from the fifth Roman from this exercise 2.5. Come to the next problem, children. See the textbooks. Children, verify. What is the next problem? This is question number 6. Given that a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and also ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26, we are asking to find out a square plus b square plus c square. Children, you see, it is given a plus b plus c value 9 and also it is given ab plus bc plus ca equal 26. We are asking to find out what is the value of a square plus b square plus c square. It's a nice problem regarding examination point of view. Concentrate. Children, verify this is the solution. Consider the first one. What it is? A plus b plus c is equal to 9. After this, by squaring on both sides. By squaring on both sides. By squaring on both sides. Verify. This is a plus b plus c whole square equal to 9 square. We have a formula for a plus b plus c whole square. Tell me. Yes. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right side 81. Can you say how we got 81? That's it. 9 square. 9 square is 81. So now it can be also be written as implies a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 we can take common from all these three terms. So 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there. I have taken out 2 as a common. Still we have AB plus BC plus CA equals to 81. Now children, verify. It is A square plus B square plus C square as it is 2 into what's the value of AB plus BC plus CA? 26. What's the value of AB plus BC plus CA? 26. Replace here equals to 81. Okay children, let me continue here. That is A square plus B square plus C square plus 226 52. 226 52 equals to 81. This implies A square plus B square plus C square equals to 81. This comes minus 52. That comes minus 52. This implies A square plus B square plus C square equals to 29. What's the value of 81 minus 52? What's the value of 81 minus 52? 29. Okay children, that is only our question. Find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. We got it, 29. I hope that you have understood this problem. It's the nice problem. Okay children? Yes. Verify children. The next is 7th Roman. Children, verify. Next is 7th Roman. Children, you see 7th Roman. Evaluate the following by using suitable identities. 4 sums are there. Let me explain you 2 sums. 7th Roman. Second one, evaluate the following by using suitable identities. Second one, it is given 1002 whole cube. 1002 whole cube. Actually, how we will find out this one? By multiplying 1002 3 times. 1002 into 1002 into 1002. By multiplying 3 times, we can find out its value. But without using, and I mean simple process, without normal procedure, without multiplying 102 3 times, find out its value by using a suitable identity. By using a suitable identity. So this is 102 whole cube. Can also be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. So this is of the form a plus b whole cube. Where what is the value of a? 100. What is the value of b? 2. Did you understand children? 100 plus 2 whole cube. 100 plus 2 whole cube. So we have the formula for a plus b whole cube. Did you remember? A plus b whole cube formula? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Children, speak out. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This also can be expressed as a cube plus from these two take 3ab as a common term. 3 is there. I have taken out as common. A square, a. 1a I have taken out as common. B square. 1b I have taken out as common. Still a square means 1a is there. Plus b square means 1b is there. Once verify. 3ab into a, 3a square b. Plus 3ab into b, 3ab square plus this is b cube. Okay children, so this is a cube plus 3 into ab. A means what? 100. B means what? 2. Into a means what? 100 plus b means what? 2 plus b cube means what? 2 cube. I replaced the values a equal to 100 and b equal to 2 in the formula. Next we have to simplify. A means what? 100. So 100 cube. 100 cube means what? 100 into 100 into 100. So we know 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only. By multiplying 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, you get 6 zeros. You get 6 zeros. So 100, 100, this is 10,000, 10,000, 100, once you see units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So what is the value of 100 to whole cube? 10 lakhs. What's the value of 100 whole cube? 10 lakhs. Okay children? Now observe. So that is equals to 10 lakhs plus 3 into 100, 300, 300, 2 is 600 plus, again, wait, into this is 100 plus 2, 102 and plus 2 cube is 8. Do not get any confusion children. 100 whole cube means 100 into 100 into 100, 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only, 2 zeros into 2 zeros into 2 zeros, totally 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 zeros you will get. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So that the value of 102 whole cube equals to 10 lakhs. Now observe, 300s are 300, 300 2s are 600, 600 into 102 plus 2 cube, 8. So this is 10 lakhs. Okay children, plus see 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6. So means what? 102 600 are 61,200. 102 600 are 61,200. Why? Because 2 zeros I have written, 6 2s are 12 and 6 1s are 6 plus this is 8. Now observe, 10 lakhs 61,200, 8. 10 lakhs 61,200, 8. Verify children. 10 lakhs 61,200, 8. Okay children, let us verify whether it is right or wrong with the textbook answer. This is exercise 2.5 7th Roman second problem. Exercise 2.5 7th Roman second problem. So 10 lakhs 61,208 is absolutely right, which is given. Is absolutely right. Okay children, verify. Let me explain you one more problem. Let me explain you one more problem from this Roman. That is fourth one, 1001 whole cube. Children, you see 1001 whole cube. Fourth one from the 7th Roman, 1001 whole cube. 1001 whole cube. Verify children, 1001 whole cube. Yes, 1001 whole cube can be written as this is 1000 plus 1 whole cube. So this is of the form a plus b whole cube. This is a cube plus 3ab, 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That is the formula for a plus b whole cube. We need to write where a is equals to 1000 and b is equals to 1. A equal to 1000, b equal to 1. Again can also be written as a cube plus these two we can take 3ab as common. Into we have a plus b. Why? Because 3ab into a, 3a square b plus 3ab into b, 3ab square plus this is b cube. Now replace a means 1000 whole cube plus 3 into a means 1000 into b means 1 into a plus b means 1000 plus 1 plus b cube means 1 cube. Okay children, I replaced those values. So 1 cube means 1 only. 3 zeros whole cube means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 zeros whole cube, 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 9 zeros you will get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Verify. Units, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores, 100 crores, 100 crores. So 1,000 whole cube. 1,000 into 1,000 into 1,000, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. 3 zeros plus 3 zeros plus 3 zeros comes as 9 zeros. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. Plus, verify, 3 into 1,000, 3,000, 3,000, 1 ja 3,000 into 1,000 plus 1 is 1,001. Plus 1 cube is 1 only. So this is 100 crores plus 3000 into 1001, 3 zeros, verify, 3 zeros, 3 1s are 3, 3 zeros 0, 3 zeros 0, 3 1s are 3. What's this? Units 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 3000 into 1001 comes as 30 lakhs 3000. 30 lakhs 3000 plus 1. Now observe, 100 crores plus 30 lakhs 3000 plus 1 means what? 100 crores, 30 lakhs, 3000, 1. Once you see children, let us verify the answer with the textbook answer, whether it is right or wrong. This is the exercise 2.5 from 7th Roman. So 100 crores 30 lakhs 3001 is absolutely right. 100 crores 30 lakhs 3001 is absolutely right. What I got. Did you understand, children? Okay, children. So these are the two sums from the 7th Roman out of 4 sums. You can do other 2 sums also easily by applying some algebraic identity. Yes, children. Come to the next Roman. This is Roman number 8. What's this? Verify, children. Factorize the following expressions. So verify second one from this Roman. I will explain you. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Factorize the following expressions. Children, you see, second problem I am explaining you. So given expression is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So we have to convert in the form of a minus b whole cube. That is how we will convert. Once observe, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. In that manner we have to convert it. This also can be written as a minus b whole cube. So this can be converted into this formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That can be written as a minus b whole cube. Now let us verify. This is 2a whole cube. Means 2 cube is 8a cube. Minus this is b whole cube is b cube only. Minus 3 into a square into b. A means what? 2a. B means what? B. Now concentrate. 2a whole square means 4a square. 4a square into 3, 12a square b. 12a square b. Plus 3 into a into b square. Where a means 2a, b means b. So now observe. 3 2 is 6a b square. 3 2 is 6a b square. 6a b square. Did you understand? Now observe. Where? What is my capital A value? 2a. What is my capital B value? Small b. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. We converted, we expressed that into the formula. This can be written as a minus b whole cube, where a is 2a minus b is b whole cube. Now 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. These are the 3 factors for this given expression. Did you understand, children? So did you understand, children? Yes. So this is the problem from this 8th Roman. Okay, children. So let me explain you one more problem from this 8th Roman. You can understand very easily. Let me explain you one more problem from this 8th Roman. You can understand very easily. So see the textbook. That is 4th problem from this 8th Roman. 8p cube minus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p minus 1 by 125. Minus 1 by 125. Once verify, children. See this one. Solution. Given expression is this is 8p cube minus 12 by 5 p square plus 6 by 25 p minus 1 by 125. This must be converted into the form of a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Later we can convert. This is what? A means 2p whole cube minus b means 1 by 5 whole cube. Once verify. 2p whole cube. Once see children. 2p whole cube is 8p cube only. minus 1 by 5 whole cube is 1 by 24 only. So what we have adjusted a cube minus b cube we have adjusted. Still we need to write minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now observe children, minus 3a square means 2p whole square into b means 1 by 5 plus 3a b square. A means 2p, b means 1 by 5 whole square. Do not get any confusion, it's very simple. 2p whole cube is 8p cube minus 1 by 5 whole cube is 1 by 25. We adjusted a cube minus b cube. Still we need to write minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Minus 3a square means 2p whole square into b means 1 by 5 plus 3ab square. 3 into a means 2p, b means 1 by 5 whole square. If you see that one, 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12, 12p square by 5, 12p square by 5. Now the 3 2 is 6p, 6p, 6p by 1, 5 square is 25. So this also can be written as a minus b whole cube, where a means 2p minus b means 1 by 5 whole cube. So 2p minus 1 by 5 whole cube means 2p minus 1 by 5 into 2p minus 1 by 5 into 2p minus 1 by 5. They are the three factors for this given expression. It's very simple. Okay children. So in today's class I have explained you from 5th Roman 2 sums, and I have explained you 6th problem, and I have explained you 7th Roman 2 sums, and I have explained you 8th Roman 2 sums. So I hope that you have understood all these problems. My today's homework is complete 5th Roman and 6th problem and 7th Roman and 8th Roman in the class work. Okay children, thank you one and all.